Hello students, we will begin with the same chapter number 7, Conservation of Plants and Animals. This is the second video on this topic. National Park areas reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources, and Biosphere Reserve, large areas of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plants and animal resources, and traditional life of the tribal living in the area. These are the important definitions of the chapter. Next we'll study about Biosphere Reserve. What is it? These are the protected areas which preserve the integrity, the functionality and other natural features of some natural ecosystems which contribute through their existence to the continuous generation of the biosphere, fundamental resources, and where the population is an integrant. Biosphere reserve are the areas meant for conservation of biodiversity, as biodiversity is an area where variety of plants, animals and microorganisms are generally found. The biosphere reserve helps to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. A biosphere reserve may also contain other protected areas in it. For example, the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries named Bori and Pachmari. The table 7.1 in your book, you have to do it in your books. And the activity 7.4, you have to do it by yourself and write in the copies. Next we'll study about the flora and the fauna. Flora relates to all plant lives and the term fauna represents for all living animal life. Flora is the plant life occurring in particular region or time, generally the natural occurring or indigenous native plant life. A list of plants of an area or period. And what is fauna? Are defined as the animals categorized of a particular time period or a particular location. It refers to the animals. As you can see on the pictures, a real forest, you could see greenery all around. That's because of plants which are also the green wealth of the forests. You might have seen teak trees which are very tall and many animals inside the forests. These types of trees and animals of the forest have their own habitat and we should not disturb them. The plants and animals found in a particular area are called as flora and fauna of that area. Activity 7.5, you have tried to identify the flora and fauna of your area and list them, that you will do in your copies. Next is your endemic species. These are those species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area, such as the giant squirrel, sal, and wild mango are examples of endemic flora of the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Bison, Indian giant squirrel, and flying squirrel are endemic fauna of these areas. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone or to a state or to a country. This happens due to the destruction of their habitat, increasing population, and introduction of new species. Many affects the natural habitat of the endemic species and endangered their existence. That's all for today in this video. In the next video, we'll continue with the other topics of the chapter. Thank you.